hope you're well. Welcome back if you're already subscribed, and hey, if you're new, I am Ellen and I am going on a 3-day trip to Portugal tomorrow morning, to Lisbon in Portugal tomorrow morning. And I've been having a bit of a, let me actually like position you so I don't have to like crouch like that. That's a bit better, isn't it? Having a bit of like a wild time trying to decide what to pack. So I thought, you know what, fuck it. Get the camera out, show everyone what you're packing, and then there's some accountability on the outfits you are taking with you. It's 3 days. I'm very aware that that is not a long time, and 2 of those days are obviously flying days. Not obviously, why would you obviously know that? 2 of those days are flying days, so either side of the 1 day, full day we have in Lisbon. We fly in the morning and we fly out in the evening. So it's a whistle-stop tour of Lisbon. But I've heard Lisbon is absolutely a beautiful, amazing city, and I want my outfits to say that as I wear them throughout my time in Lisbon. This is not my normal filming setup, so I hope it's okay, but basically I've got everything going on behind me that I think I'm gonna take. I obviously only need 3 outfits and then I'm taking 1 out for dinner, so I don't really need that much stuff. I did take a few like cutaways of what I wanted to wear before, but I put a poll on my Instagram. This is my Instagram here, Ellen's in Wonderland, if you don't follow me already. And also I'm doing some growing on TikTok at the moment, so follow me on TikTok. I think it's Ellen's in Wonderland with like a 0 at the end as well if you want to find me on TikTok as well. I am really enjoying TikTok at the moment actually. And I put a poll on my Instagram and like a question box asking what we should do in Lisbon, and everybody said it's really slippy, it's really hilly, wear trainers, and I hadn't really taken that into consideration when I was picking my outfits. So my outfits like didn't particularly go with trainers, so I am now kind of revisiting and rethinking what I'm going to bring, but I'm going to show you everything in this video. I'm going to start with clothes because that is the main point of the video, and it's going to be, so we're going, if you're watching this at a different time, we are going in May, like early May, and the temperature is between about 28 degrees and about 22 degrees while we're there, so I really wanted to kind of account for this with my clothing. So my first outfit and the outfit I'll be wearing on the plane is this. So I'm gonna put it up next to you as well. It's this white t-shirt with a pink blazer over, and then I'm gonna be wearing it with like a midi leopard print skirt as well, so it should be appearing here so you can actually see what this outfit looks like. And I'm thinking this for the plane because it's just a really easy, comfy outfit, and I don't want to put this in my suitcase, this blazer, and like risk it getting all crumpled as well. This is new in from Primark actually. I really like it. So that is going to be my plain outfit, and I'm going to wear it, so obviously I was told to take trainers, but I am going to wear it with these shoes that I again knew in from Primark. They're, oh god, super nice. I really like them, and they're just like slide on loafer brogue type shoes. I think they're really classic, and obviously if you've been following me for a while, I mainly shop like thrifted, secondhand, vintage clothes, or from slow fashion brands, but I've popped into Primark recently and bought loads of like stuff that I'd say is like basics or like to build on my capsule wardrobe. I've got a lot of Primark clothes that I've owned for years and years, and they definitely got way more than 30 wears out of them, so I didn't feel too guilty doing it. I'm actually going to throw together a bit of a Primark haul. I don't know if it'll be up before or after this, but I basically have bought loads of stuff that I'm kind of adding to my like capsule wardrobe, I guess. Stuff that I didn't own before that I know I'm going to get loads of wear out of, especially over the summer, so I'm going to throw that together. But anyway, these are new in from Primark as well, and they're part of that sort of capsule wardrobe vibe, and I think they're going to look so good with all outfits really, and I assume they're going to be really comfy from trying them on. So they are going to be my airport shoes, so I'm going to leave those out. I'm not going to put them in. This is the suitcase I'm taking, by the way. I'm just taking a normal kind of carry-on size suitcase. We are flying with an airline called TAP, and I think they're a Portuguese airline, but don't quote me on that. But they allow you to take a hand baggage without a cabin bag. Is this cabin? Yeah, not a hold bag, a cabin bag, without having any extra payment, which is just amazing and basically unheard of in the travel industry at the moment. So yeah, really good size bag for 3 days because you don't really need that much stuff for 3 days. My second outfit, I was going to wear this, so I'm going to put it here. It is these denim shorts, again new in from Primark, and they're like those like 90s Princess Diana moment shorts, you know. They're like the kind of little bit longer ones. You can roll these up if you wanted to for like a little bit of a shorter style, but I like them like this. I think they're really flattering and going to be really comfortable for like a lot of walking as well, because they avoid chub rub by being a little bit longer. So what I was going to wear that with was going to be this little like Zara bodysuit. So I was obsessed with this bodysuit. This is old Zara, like 2 years ago, and it was basically all I wore, this one and the black version. And I love it. I love this bodysuit. I think I'm still going to pop it in just in case I decide I do want to wear it. It goes with the leopard skirt as well. So I'm going to pop that in anyway. But I've swapped out for my second day outfit. So my sister, I'm going with my mum and my sister. And my sister Laura has built kind of like an itinerary for us for our time while we're there. So I'm going to pop that here as well. And our second day we're going up to like this castle. And I think I'm going to wear the denim shorts with this little old... I think this was from LF in LA. Yeah, when I was in LA, like literally, oh no, this is Mango, sorry. When did I buy this then? I don't know. This is probably about 6 years old, this top, I'd say. And it's just this little like floaty, lacy top. I'm gonna wear that with the shorts. And you can't really wear a proper bra with that, so I've got a little like Primark bandeau bralette that I wear just under things I can't really wear a bra with. You can take the straps off, so I might, we'll see how it looks basically. So that's going to be my outfit for the second day. I'm either going to wear it, as you saw in the cutaway, with this cardi over, depending on the weather, or with the pink blazer over. I'm like leaning towards wanting to wear it with the pink blazer because I just think that's way more cute, but I'm, yeah, depending on the weather, because it's like flittering between being like rainy or not rainy basically. So depending on the weather, that's going to be my outfit for the second day. So first day, the plain outfit, which is just going to continue me through the day, and then second day I'm going to change into shorts for exploring the castle. And then on the second day as well, we're going out for like a dinner and a show. It's called, this music called Fado, I think Fado, and I think it means fate in Portuguese, and it's this like beautiful like melancholy music. And I was going to wear the outfit, this outfit for that, and then I realized kind of what it was, and I decided to change to a more kind of like darker, sleeker number. So I haven't actually tried this on in the cutaway for you guys, but I've got loads of pictures of me in this on my Instagram because I've worn it a million times. This was a spontaneous purchase that I bought to wear to a wedding that I was last minute invited to, and I've like literally like lived in it at every fancy occasion ever since, because it's beautiful, it fits me like an absolute glove, and it's going to be perfect for that evening. So I'm going to pop that in for the evening. And then my final outfit I'm going to bring, which will be my outfit for the plane home as well, which is that weird? I can always change it back into the shorts, back into the skirt for the plane home, I suppose. But it's this, so it's this little orange dress, and this will just be a day of like exploring Portugal, exploring Lisbon in Portugal. I'm gonna put on this dress, which I've got like a picture of it here, with the pink blazer over, and this look is just so cute. And yeah, that's what I was gonna wear to Fado, but it just doesn't feel like the right outfit, but I still want to wear it while I'm out there, so I'm just going to wear it on that day. So popping that in as well, and yeah, with the pink blazer over. I do have it on with a pair of like heeled shoes in this cutaway, but that isn't how I'm going to wear it now. I know Portugal's a bit slippier, so I'll show you the other shoes I'm taking. Obviously I'm taking those slides. I'm also going to take my New Balance, these are the 327 trainers, so these are insanely comfortable. I'm going to wear these definitely with the shorts outfit on the castle day, and I might wear them either these, depending on how I'm feeling, either these or the slider ones with the second outfit as well. So like they're perfect. I'm just going to stick those in the suitcase as well. And then I've also got these, which are just a bonus that I'm going to wear. Probably going to wear those to the Fado night. They're just a kind of classy little pair of sliders. They like are just all woven here. These are really, really old Primark. And they're not that comfortable to walk in because they're so flat, but they're like really easy, like comfortable to wear if you're not walking for a long time. So I won't wear them like exploring, but just wearing them to like dinner, totally fine. So I actually think that's perfect. That is all the clothes I'm going to be taking. Oh, I also think I'm going to take this hat, which I'll just wear on the plane probably, because I think it goes with all my outfits. I just think it looks cool. I'm like, I vibe it in pictures. I just think it's fun. I think I should take it. It keeps the sun off your face. So that is like one of my accessories that I'll be taking, I think. Oh, do I want to take this? I just think because it doesn't go with this top, it's like not really doing much for me right now, but I like it. I think I'm going to take it. I'm also going to take a belt to go with the shorts, and I'm going to take, what's my hairbrush? Oh, I'm also taking a bikini, like just in case. So this is from Cupshe. I'm actually a Cupshe ambassador, so this is the bottoms. They're just high-waisted. If you want to see me in this, then just head over to my Instagram, and then this is the little top as well, so super cute. I have like quite a few other holidays coming up this year that are more beach related, so there'll be a lot more like swimwear and stuff in the packing element of the video, but I'm gonna take it just in case. I don't really imagine I'll need it, but popping it in there anyway, just in case. And then in terms of other accessories, I'm taking 2 pairs of sunglasses. I'm taking my Ray-Ban Ibiza lenses. I love these sunglasses. I just think these are so cool. I like just feel like such a like 90s badass in them. Absolutely love these. I'm going to keep those in the case, and then I'm going to take my vintage Chanel ones as well, because again, so fucking cool. And look at the like Chanel sign on them. These are so cool. I'm going to take those as well. These don't fit so well in the handbag I'm taking, so I might get like a little cover for them rather than taking the whole chunky pouch. In terms of the handbag I'm taking, this is just going to be my little handbag. It's just this little Marc Jacobs one. This is perfect for me for holidays because it zips up properly. The strap can go crossbody, and it's quite short as well, so it fits very close to your body. It also like deceptively fits loads. Like I can fit my book in here and my camera. So yeah, this is a really, really good bag for being on holiday, so definitely taking that. And then, oh, and then in terms of, I think I'm going to take my curler with me just in case I do want to curl my hair while I'm out there. I can't imagine I will, but like I'd rather have it and not use it than want it and not have it. It's always my motto when I'm packing. This is why I'm such an overpacker. And then I've got my Toiletries case, which is from Primark. I bought this ages ago, and it's got like all my makeup in. I don't really wear like that much makeup, but it's got what I am taking with me. And then I bought these little travel jars as well from Primark that I need to fill up. I'm going to fill these up with my moisturiser and my sun cream because they're the ones I want to take, and I don't have like small versions, and I hate like decanting them into like a squeezy thing because I feel like you just end up losing loads of product. So yeah, these are like literally perfect, and there's so many of them and so tiny. And I can't think of anything else I want to put in there. Got my like face wash. I've got a small version of the Elemis Pro Cleansing Balm. I've got some clips and some hair bands, lip balm, my perfume, which is always annoying. I'm gonna have to like sort this out when I actually get to the airport, unless Laura's got any my sister's got any of those thingamabob bags, but they're called sandwich bags, but I don't have any of those. So yeah, and then my hairbrush, all that kind of stuff. I need to get a toothbrush actually, because I've just got my electric one and I don't really want to take that. So yeah, I think that's my packing done. No, it's not. My pajamas. I actually bought a new pair of pajamas for this. So I've got these. They're so cute. Again from Primark. I think I got them in a small. So cute. These little rainbow shorts. And I got them in a medium. I need to cut that off. Little rainbow t-shirt. So cute, so perfect. And yeah, that's everything. I definitely want to have a little Zara trip while I'm out in Portugal as well, because I just always feel like Zara is better when you're in like Spain. I've not actually been to Portugal, but when you're in Spain, obviously it's a Spanish brand, so it's better. But I feel like, well, even when I was in France, like the Zara was better. So yeah, there's like a couple of bits. I really want to try on that viral dress and see if it works with these. I don't know if it's going to, but I'd like to try it. And yeah, that's everything I'm packing. If you want to see more packing videos, I am off to the Czech Republic next month for a festival, so that'll be a really fun pack with me because I'm already worried about what I'm going to be taking. And then at the end of the month, I'm off to a hen do in Faro in Portugal. So I've got two really exciting holidays next month. This will definitely go up in May. Yeah, well, two very exciting holidays next month, and then in July I've got a wedding in Santorini, so that'll be another really fun pack with me. I'm also going to make some videos about what I'm wearing as a wedding guest as well. I was going to try and thrift. I'm still going to try and thrift a dress for that wedding, but I'm really struggling with finding anything at the moment. I think it's because I don't really know what I want to wear. So next time ASOS has a 20% off, I think I'm just going to get some dresses, try them on for you guys. I don't have the easiest body shape to dress as well, which is quite hard when you're thrifting something that should be so special. And anyway, that is going to be a whole other video, but remember to subscribe if you want to stick around for that. And I'll see you next Monday at 6. Bye guys.